Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Simplify. Are we all familiar with copy and paste in Excel? But sometimes we find ourselves wanting to paste data from multiple cells into one cell. How do we achieve this? Let's dive right into it. Here is our data. If you want to copy this, we can use Ctrl+C to copy everything. And let's say we want to paste it here under the P. Use Ctrl+V. We can see right now we are pasting on multiple cells as well. But what we really want to achieve is to paste everything in one cell. How do we get this done? I will show you two ways to achieve it. The first one, let me show you the manual way to achieve this. Click on the cell where you want to have the multiple data. Press Alt Enter to write another thing under. So keep pressing Alt Enter to keep writing what you need. Right now, we are able to have all the multiple data in one cell. In order to copy from multiple cells into one, all we need to do is to go to Home tab. Under this ribbon, we will see Clipboard. So click on this arrow on the clipboard, and we see this is empty right now. There's nothing on our clipboard. So what we want to do is to copy this data that you need. Press Ctrl+C to copy. It's now reflecting under our clipboard. Go to the cell where you want to paste everything. Double click on that cell and click on the data from this clipboard. It pastes everything for you at the same time. Another way you can paste this, click where you want to paste the data. You can go to the formula bar and click on the data from the clipboard. This is going to do the same thing for you. You see, it's easy, right? That's the way we pass our data from multiple cells into one in Excel. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.